All right, so I like a product that I can use eyes, lips, face, eyes, lips, cheeks, and I have the perfect product. I bought this myself. I actually bought a few of these. This is the Makeup Forever, the Artist Pencil. If you're ever in a town or if you're ever near a city that does a makeup, the makeup show, you get these at a discounted price. That's usually when I get them. So this color is perfect for fall, and I am so ready for fall. It's fall, it's cold, it's finally, well, it's not cold. It feels like fall weather in New Jersey. Finally. All right, so this is Versatile Chestnut, which is this color. And I am going to show you how to use it basically all over the face for a nice fall look. You don't need this specific pencil. If you have a pencil like this or a little bit darker, use that as well. I think this is the darkest one I have. Also, Limitless Brown. That might be too cool. Let me see something. That's Limitless Brown. This is Versatile Chestnut. Let's go with Versatile Chestnut. Also, if you have brown eyes, this is gonna make your eyes pop. So let's start off with the eyes. You just take it. I'm gonna keep the pencil sort of like soft, and I am going to just kind of draw little lines across the lid. This doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just gonna smudge it. So take my finger and I'm gonna blend. I had this on the other day and somebody was like, oh, what eyeshadow is that? And I said, it's actually the color I have on my lips. So I'm just gonna take it like this and kind of blend. This is very much that like effortless kind of look. So yeah, that's like super subtle, but it does something. And because it's more of like a reddish tone, it makes my eyebrows pop, my eyes pop, my brown eyes. This with a few coats of mascara is absolutely beautiful. And you can like intensify it a little bit more. So if I want to take this and just run it against the lash line, just to deepen that, it's great. All right, now, as a blush color, you're probably like, how are you gonna put this on your cheeks? You're gonna take your palm, you're gonna take this, and you're just gonna do this. Now, if you want to give it a little bit of a glow, just take your moisturizer. I'm gonna take a little bit of my moisturizer, like a touch, tiny bit, like that. And I'm gonna blend it in. So this is going to kind of sheer it down, but it's also going to just give it a little bit of a glowier look. And just kind of do it this way. Or take a brush. Take a brush, it picks it up better. And that starts to give it some color, and now our look is getting more monochromatic. And realistically, you can do this with like cream blushes. You can pop them, and even powder blushes, you can pop them as like your blush, and you can pop them in the crease, in the eyes. That is looking nice already. And honestly, once you get the hang of this and you do this, this could really be like a 5-minute face. Now taking the liner, we're gonna just line our lips. So taking this, I had a little lip balm on because my lips got dry and they kind of split a bit. When you pair it with a lip liner, when you pair the lip liner with like a lip balm or something, just shears it out and it just makes it smoother to kind of blend. So this is perfect if you don't want to go full like vampy lip, but you want to feel something fall. So go for like a brown liner that has a little bit of a red in it. it's like a warm palette. It'll just warm up the complexion. Let me just curl my lashes real quick. So that's a simple like fall look using one product. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this. It could be any brown liner that you have at home, whether it's like NYX. I know Revlon just came out with like these guys. Well, this is not the right shade, but like these guys that it's like multi-use. Go for it, try it. If you do it, like if you do it, you're on Instagram or whatever, like tag me at Anna Rachinsky. I want to see the looks. And if you have any questions or comments, requests, feel free to leave them down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.